Microsoft Dynamics 365 2025 Release Wave 1. Business Central 26. The rollout of the first Dynamics 365 upgrade wave of the year starts in April. Here, a new version of Business Central is released. With Business Central 26, a number of new features and improvements are introduced, including Introducing Agents. The AI-powered agents are designed to seamlessly integrate with Business Central, adding efficiency and automation to your daily business operations. Reporting and data analysis. Collect emissions data, track progress, and create insights. Monitor KPIs, obtain emission factors, purchase carbon credits, and customize reports for sustainability tracking and compliance. Improved Shopify integration. Manage planning, purchasing, and costs, and gain control over inventory levels across locations and variants. Define prices and discounts, and simplify tax management and regulatory compliance. Analyze subscription billing. The new Power BI app for subscription billing offers detailed reports and KPIs that help you track metrics like monthly recurring revenue and profit. Read much more about Business Central 26 at activebs.com. You can also follow us on your favorite social media platform.